Hey guys, what is up? What is going on? In today's video, I'm going to once again review another microphone. Man, I am a fanatic of microphones. I love testing new microphones, and this time I got the TONOR USB kit, which pretty much includes a you know what? Let's just do the unboxing right quick, do the sound test, and my final thoughts. Let's go. In the box you get the microphone, the shock mount, the microphone arm and the clamp to attach it to your desk. We get the wind mesh and we get the pop filter. Now, let's go into the most important thing, the audio test. Alright guys, so the most important part of this video, it's the sound quality, how good it is. Now, I have to say that I am very impressed with the sound quality of the microphone, but you know what? I'm not just going to say that it's good. I'm going to give you some audio examples and you guys make up your own mind. I don't want to shove my ideas down your throat and make you believe that it sounds good when maybe it doesn't. But you judge for yourself. I recommend you to use headphones because if you just use a cell phone or speakers, normal speakers, you won't probably hear the difference. So with that said, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and use Reaper, one of my favorite DAWs. I'm going to go ahead and record over here. And then when I'm done recording, I'm going to go ahead. When I'm done recording, I'm going to go ahead and mute this microphone. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. I am very excited to use this microphone because I love doing mic tests. I am testing the pops, I am testing the clarity. Go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube. 24, go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube for some PUBG content. Yeah, baby. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. I am very excited to use this microphone because I love doing mic tests. I am testing the pops, I am testing the clarity. Go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube. 24, go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube for some PUBG content. Yeah, baby. Hello guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the effects. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. I am very excited to use this microphone because I love doing mic tests. I am testing the pops, I am testing the clarity. Go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube. 24, go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube for some PUBG content. Yeah, baby. Alright, so as you can see, when a microphone doesn't need a whole lot of edits for it to sound good, you know that it's a good microphone. Now I can do more edits here and boost it up all like really loud, but you don't want none of that because it's just disgusting. On the master track, I got nothing. Take a look at this. Like I have it turned off, but if I turn it on, the only thing that I have on the master track is EQ. A little bit of EQ. Whoa, this is too high. And I have a little bit of master limiter to boost up the volume. So now let's hear it with the master track or the master. Let's hear a master. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. I am very excited to use this microphone because I love doing mic tests. I am testing the pops, I am testing the clarity. Go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube. 24, go subscribe to Creeper24 on YouTube for some PUBG content. Yeah, baby. I added a little bit of reverb. I added a little bit of compressor. Well, the compressor, you know what the compressor does. It brings up the lowest parts of the wave and it lowers down whatever's speaking, so it doesn't clip on your track, on your master. The gate, that's to remove any background noise. And the EQ, well, you know what the EQ does. If you want to make the vocal more bassy for podcast, for commentaries on YouTube, I always raise up the bass a little bit of the low end, and I raise up a little bit of the highs. I don't like to raise it up too much because, well, that's a preference. But this video is not how to make your vocals sound good. Let me go ahead and do a little more EQ, right? Okay. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. I am very excited to use this microphone because I love doing mic tests. I am testing the pops, I am testing the clarity. Go subscribe to Creeper24. So now let's go ahead and turn off everything. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. Hello guys, I am using the TONOR Q9 microphone. Alright guys, well, like I said, this microphone is a very good sounding microphone. It sounds fantastic, it sounds professional when you know how to work your vocals. You can make a microphone, $20, $30, $40 microphone sound very good if you know what you're doing in waves. Is the microphone good right out of the box? It is. I'll see you guys in the next video.